Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook kangaroo burgers. Kangaroo meat is incredibly lean, so treating it right is key to a juicy, tender result. Start by gently forming your ground kangaroo into patties, about 3/4 of an inch thick. Season them simply with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps a touch of garlic powder to enhance the natural flavors. Remember, avoid overworking the meat, as this can make the patties tough, impacting the final texture significantly. Now, let's get cooking. You can grill your kangaroo burgers over medium-high heat or pan-fry them in a skillet with a drizzle of olive oil. For a perfect medium rare, which is highly recommended for this lean meat, cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Overcooking will dry out the kangaroo meat quickly, so keeping an eye on the clock and the heat is crucial for maintaining its unique tenderness and flavor profile. To truly master your kangaroo burger, aim for an internal temperature of around 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a delicious medium rare. A meat thermometer is your best friend here, ensuring consistent results every time. Once cooked, transfer your burgers to a plate and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the patty, guaranteeing a more succulent, flavorful, and satisfying bite. Finally, it's time to build your masterpiece. Kangaroo burgers pair wonderfully with toppings like caramelized onions, a spicy relish, or even a fresh beetroot slice, adding layers of flavor and texture. Serve them on a toasted bun with a crisp green salad or some sweet potato fries for a complete meal. Enjoy the distinctive taste of your perfectly cooked kangaroo burger, a truly unique and delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.